let's get rowdy! We are here in Zero Street. Isa pure. Para may hangin. We're here in Zero Studio. It is 2 days before the show. Laters are fitting. We haven't seen the outfit yet, to be honest. No, where is it? No, it's over. Excuse me.
Bakit? Sinusundan lang.
So how you feeling?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Charot. Feel ko na yung pressure.
Actually, you know what? Ganda tayo, guys. We also have a collab set with Ate Yang. We just learned it yesterday. I mean, like, yeah, we haven't rehearsed with Ate Yang. Today, we're rehearsing with Ate Yang. And then we're doing... Ay, Toki. Nala naman ang camera nito. And then we have Coach Coach! Please say hi! Come here. Woo!
The brains of the performance.
There's like a light bulb here. Very cute si Coach Arda, pero scary in training. Yeah, what do you have to say? Yes, I know you love me so much. My God.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, sobrang we've been preparing for this. We haven't been sleeping.
Yeah, but actually, like, the time to prepare is short, but like we've been really maximizing the hours.
That's so true. And ngayon kasi guys, naka-vocal rest ako, so
But you're talking now.
Hindi, ganito lang yung sleep ko. Medyo, yung energy ko nandito lang. Hindi siya gumagin. Yung my usual energy. Kasi nga may inaano.
Ah, yeah, she's coughing. Ikaw,
Sakit ang kanya.
how are you? How your life? How's your well-being?
Siya malalas mo nga.
Hirap ako matulog.
Hirap siya
Yun yung
makatulog.
problem ko ngayon. Matutulog ako, 12, ganyan. Akala ko gigising ako 10. Hindi, gigising ako ng 4, 3. Kanina, 6.
Ano ikaw? Ano problema mo? Aside from hindi ka
Problema
makatulog
ko.
na dahil hindi ako patabi.
What were you telling them? Ano, the problem is you guys. You're too beautiful.
Think
so amazing.
But I'm so
Like,
sorry.
We all are inspired. Because like, no, seriously, some rehearsals yesterday when we did with the band, when the dancers.
Wala yun, isang araw yun.
Yeah, basta dyan. It's so inspiring to see. Like, ang galing, gagaling talaga nila. Like,
Everyone.
oh my God.
Everyone.
And just see everyone put in equal efforts
Kailangan
to make our craft even more beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone. We really can't wait. I think this is the most pangginas.
Ito yung pinakamalaki.
Yes.
The most.
Para sa pinakamalaking pag-performance.
Yes. And pinakamahaba din.
Yeah. We won't say it's our most effortful because every performance we put it
Yes.
equal effort.
Stage-wise and lengthwise. Lengthwise.
But yeah, we gotta go back to Trina and peace out. See you later.
Medyo ano, 6, 7,
Time for a cool down.
Let's cool ourselves to the down.
Is it okay if I film, guys?
Time cool down time. It's cool down time.
Rolling it to the right slowly. Choreo, favorite choreo. Up. Should I get to the left? Then go to the right.
I Good job, ilang song pa ako practicing? I think, ilan pang practice mo? Ilan pang songs? 5 pa. Grabe kayo. Sobrang nakaka-proud kayo.
Grabe. Sobrang yung presence niya online, sobrang dama.
Thank you, Ate. Thank you for doing this.
Wala to. Ano ba?
Siyempre, first song namin, GP Love Story.
Yes!
First song
Evaluation.
Yeah po. Yun yung kanta na sabi nila na, ay, ready na kayo maging.
Umiyak si Ate Ina.
Umiyak si Miss Ina.
Tigas ng puso niya.
See you sa July ka na to. See ya.
Thank you, Ate. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah! Guys, ako lang masyado nyo akong pinapakilig. Ay! Makaganda ng ano. Hindi ko kinakausap. Baka na ako. Yeah. Dito masyado. Ginalingan yung ano yung voicing. Parang gusto nila talaga na na perfect. Perfect na nga yung mga mukha. Perfect pa yung boses. Gigil ako. Akin na to. Charot.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you, Ate. Love you. Sir, you guys.
She doesn't get old. Doesn't get old. Ang bata pa rin.
And her voice is even more stunning. We are now in Banner. But we're actually on vocal rest. Coach, say hi. It's our vlog. We're actually on vocal rest. From Mega Ball last year. Yung Pinoy ako, nagustuhan nyo?
Best vocal arranger in
Yes! Woo! Slay. And guys, my mom just arrived.
Ano si John din daw, pabit-bit.
Salamat!
Pag gumagalaw siya, umaangat to. May lining na? I mean, may shorts na ba tayo dyan? Wala pa tayo.
Wala.
Call na ako, Kamo.
Si Jazz.
Kasi mahaba.
Go guys, fit kayo.
So, saan ang bawas? Dito.
Matulog na.
Angat.
Dito.
Pak nyo na lang kaya ma. Hindi, I mean, literal. Wait lang! Tita, wait lang! Tinakpan nila na, tinawa ka.
Wala pa! Gagawin pa lang!
Siya yung pinaka-hindi pa buo, tita, wait lang!
At saka yung hiwang-hiwa. Yung
sabi ko mo!
Panty.
Meron pa yan, don't worry. Alam
May
niyo
shorts.
yun.
Oo, wala ba kayong shorts dyan? Wala ba tayong shorts?
Ano
Palit
ba?
kayo ni Hey.
Yeah! Oo, kasama nga nila si Mami niya ko. Talaga? Pawis ka tayo.
Pinagpapawis.
Tapos, hindi ako tumayo dun sa dalawa. Pero sa'yo talaga, parang may lang. Yung pressure ko.
Like that.
Wow, yeah, like this.
Oo, yan tita, di ba? Covered.
Pero, pag humampas yan, may stay.
Okay, go. So, okay, note. Mawala yung green sa damit.
So, lahat ng clothes, yung base, will be pure gold. And then all the jackets will be all green.
Okay, go.
Push. Pure green. Pure green.
Narito po tayo ngayon sa Philippine Arena upang saksihan ang kauna-unahang performance ng G20. Narito po tayo. Pakilala ko po sila mga member ko. Na talaga namang napakasarap ng higa. At ako ay nag-Ariana Grande lang dito. Patakin natin. Yes naman. Tignan mo, napakalaki ng sofa. Like, hindi po kasya kaming tatlo.
Kanina pagpasok namin. Pero kami medyo, yeah! Tapos may sofa.
Sa lahat ng mga
Isa ito sa mga paborito namin.
Naglakad at humiga.
So now, guys, soundcheck sa oras. Medyo maaga tayo nandito. Actually, on time.
after ilang hours. Pero it's very gets and of course, gusto natin mag-sound check ng maayos. Excited, grabe, ang laki ng stage. Grabe.
Hey! Leo. Di ako mapayang, di ka mao. Pag nagpalagapog na siya, sobrang ang sabay. Tignan mo siya kung paano.
We're here inside. As you can see, it's our salang. Our salang is next.
Papapalaban, papapadaan. Inyong tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapaandaran.
Is it? Mas maluwag? Talaga? Hindi yan yun. Sa'yo, Faye?
Ito yung
Talaga? Nag-switch pa kayo?
But, stop. Ayusin natin to. Anong number mo?
Guys, usok. Hindi ako asma.
Everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap, 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 clap. Everybody clap, 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 clap. Laban, papapadaan. Yung tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapapaandaran. Papapalaban, papapadaan. Yung tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapapaandaran.
What's your number, dear?
Samhat makalaglan, mo dyan magal, hindi na meganik ko. Samhat makalaglan, mo na dalaga.
Pero nakababawi ka lang din namin dyan eh. Good? I'll see you. Slower, guys. Just
Hi guys! So ayun, tayo ay nag-blockings. Soundcheck is waiting pa. So andito tayo ngayon sa satellite stage.
let me know kung
Ayun,
possible na pagdating ng segment na ito, nakapag tayong focus lang tayo sa
Parang Dracula.
maybe at least in the beginning.
But we're a little stressed at the moment because we only had like an hour originally, an hour to do sound check and blockings. But we did all the blockings. We only have 15 minutes left for that part, and we haven't done sound check because there are some technical difficulties. It's no one's fault. It just happens. Things happen. But we're gonna extend a little bit. So check the mic so that everyone can hear the Filipino Queen's vocals live na live and ready na ready for you.
Mic number 8 go up. Where we gone, running the field, no matter what the career we're gonna take. Pina ang Filipina. Filipino winner. Taas po ng track. Mataas po ng music.
Ayan, kita.
Ilaban ko lang na makapag-rant ng medyo full.
Si Mother Yang is when?
Bukas na lang talaga.
Bukas na siya. Meron pa naman kayo sa morning niya.
Meron po.
Yay! May pag-asa pa girls. May pahinga muna. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Wait lang. Hi guys.
Ay, lumiwanag sa dilim. So, tapos na kami mag-rehearsals ng set namin, pero babalik pa kami for the collab stage.
Alis lang muna kami saglit para isettle yung mga gamit namin sa hotel. Nag-hotel kami kasi maaga rin kami tomorrow. So, para mas madali na yung buhay namin, nag-book na lang kami.
You gotta settle.
Yes.
Don't settle for less.
Sell for
the best.
Yes! Settle for the gold. Your gold.
Bye guys, see you.
Hi guys, I'm Arda. I'm the coach and stage director for G22 for this particular show, Pure Gold OPM Con 2025. So preparing for the show, it was really sort of easy and fun because honestly, the team behind this particular performance is all big time. We have Sir Jem, we have Els for the styling, we have Miss Ina, and of course, the girls. Honestly, preparing for this, nakakatuwa kasi sobrang hands-on din ng mga girls. You know, they have very, very specific asks and that's what I want. We all want that, you know, artists who have a voice. It's up to us na lang to make sure that the vision actually translates to the stage. And on my end, staging-wise, I've worked with the girls so many times before, also creating the biggest of stages for them, along with my team E-Team. Sa akin lang, importante lang ma-highlight yung mga girls kasi sobrang galing na nila performing, singing, and dancing. So, ang goal ko lang is to make sure that we really support them on stage and we make them shine on stage. So, right from the very start, yung pagka-style nila by Els, musical arrangement by Sir Jem, lahat we were all put together into one huge brainstorming and making sure, you know, we really make sure that the girls shine on this particular stage.
Okay, we'll walk through kayo ni AJ. Olivia Rodriguez. Sample. You betrayed me. So sorry. Next. You will find me like I do, like I do right. I thought it was okay. DJ. Welcome to AAA. My first honor. Ate Melay, you're iconic. Chic na libon eh, chic na libon eh. Chiri, chiri. How you like that? How you like that? How you like that? Narinig niyo ba ako? Ha? Narinig niyo ako? Ay, nagot.
Larangan ng sining at literatura sa sayaw at awitin laging namumuna. Hindi lang pagbago ang daming pasal. Ngayong gabi nagsama-sama upang mag-iwan ng barka.
Kaliwat ka.
So ngayon, I'm rehearsing for the Dunka All Artist Fraud.
Sumuwi na sila Kuya SB19.
Doon, Becca. Kung di mo to gusto, huy.
Game tayo? Contest natin?
12? 11. 11:51.
Almost
Yes. Abangan ang Potter. Woo! See you part 2.
Wala na tinatry namin. It's still bouncing. Tapos nawawala yung mic namin sa in-ear.